Mr. Blue, I told you that I love you. Please believe me. Please believe me. Mr. Blue, I told you that I love you. Please believe me.
Yeah.
Please believe me.
It was all like a dream, living life things so clean. No one had a hold of me, living so carefree. You were making moves, but yet nothing to prove. You were just being you, wasn't so hard to get through. Drug free, so not a fiend, always staying clean. Wishing you get a hold of me, so I knew you weren't lonely.
Mr. Blue,
Yeah,
I love you. Please believe me.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Mr. Blue,
Mr.
I
Blue.
told you that I love you.
If I knew you in the past, maybe life wouldn't be so bad. We wouldn't be stuck on sad because of a past. Maybe meeting you is just another clue of what I'm supposed to do. So hold on, we'll get through. Without this pain, life can be insane, but we must maintain to get to the next stage.
That I love you. Please believe me. Please believe me. Mr. Blue.